After a 2-year hiatus because of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Open Junior Tennis Championship will be back on court at the Ligani Club this weekend. The competition will feature over 50 players who are vying for not just a trophy, but points towards their ATP and WTA rankings. Tournament organizer Lockett McGregor pointed to the significance of the two-day event.
So these tournaments are very important towards the development to, lend them to, expose them to more exposure and match play type of thing. So at this level, these tournaments are very, very crucial to the development of tennis.
McGregor says players can get international exposure through the tournament.
Families who live overseas sometimes sort of out these tournaments, and they play these tournaments for the national ranking points so that they will be selected or be considered for selection for tournament to represent Jamaica in different tournaments that is held abroad.
The Open Junior Tennis Championship serves off on a Saturday. The event was launched on Wednesday with Mayberry Investment partnering with Tennis Jamaica. And the All-Ireland High School Tennis Championship is set to make a return following a 2-year absence. This year's tournament will run from November 22 to 24, with matches to begin at 9 a.m. each day, and will feature players competing in the under-14, under-16 and under-19 categories. At the last staging in November 2019, winners included Wolmer's in the boys under-19 and Campion College in the boys under-16 and under-14 sections, while Immaculate Conception were winners in the girls under-19 and under-14, and Mobay High took the trophy for the girls under-16 event. This year's tournament, which will be held at the Tennis Jamaica headquarters at the Eric Bell Center, will host 17 high schools fielding 41 combined teams in singles and doubles with approximately 250 participants. Gary Sabranti.